I will recite to you Surah Al-Fatiha, including its translation and some explanation, inshallah. Dear listeners, Surah Al-Fatiha was revealed in Mecca. It consists of 7 verses. The importance and virtue of this surah are immense. We recite this surah in every prayer. This surah establishes a bond between Allah Ta'ala and His servant. Therefore, it's very important to know the translation and explanation of this surah. So, let's get started. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I seek refuge in Allah from accursed devil. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All the praises are due to Allah, who is the Lord of the worlds. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, the most gracious, the most merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin, master of the day of judgment. From this verse, we observe that the day is mentioned specifically. This is because on the day many great events will occur. Such a terrifying day has never appeared before, and nor will it appear in the future. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. You alone we worship, and you alone ask for help. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. O Allah, guide us to the straight path. A question is raised from this verse, and the question is, which is the straight path? We will find the answer to this question in the next verse. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم, the path of those whom you have bestowed your favor. In Tafsir ibn Kathir, it is mentioned that Hazrat Abdullah ibn Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, the meaning of this verse is, O Allah, guide me to the path of those angels, prophets, martyrs and righteous people whom you have rewarded because of their obedience. So, we have learned that the straight path is the path of prophets, siddiqs, martyrs and righteous people. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. The meaning of the last verse is not the path of those who have gone astray, not the path of those upon whom your wrath has descended, and nor of those who have gone astray. According to the majority of scholars, Maghdub alayhim refers to the Jews, and Dhalin refers to the Christians. May Allah Ta'ala grant us to ability the embody of the surah, the inner meanings of the surah in our practical lives, and accept this Jamia, its respected founder, its teachers and students and well-wishers. Amin ya Rabbal Alameen. That's all for today. Please pray for me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.